This is problem number 4 from the Chapter 3 closure packet. It says evaluate the expression. It starts out -7 times x plus 4 times the absolute value of the quantity of x minus 1 plus 2x squared for x equals -6. So what we're going to do with this is we need to substitute in -6 wherever we see our x. Let's do that first. And make sure that when you are plugging it in that you are careful. I like to put parentheses around the numbers that I plug in. So the absolute value of -6 minus 1, absolute value. All right, so -7 times -6 is going to be 42. Right, I guess we could start with order of operations there. I kind of jumped the gun, so I'll leave that as it is, but we have plus 4, right? And here is where we've actually got some grouping symbols, right? The absolute value is grouping symbols. So we need to simplify the inside of this. What is -6 minus 1? Well, it should be -7, right? So right now we're doing 4 times -7. And then we have plus 2, and then we've got that -6 squared. Okay, so I guess I can go ahead and do that right now. -6 times -6 is going to be positive 36. Okay, so kind of taking care of part of my grouping symbols and my exponent there, but what now happens to the absolute value of -7? We know that's going to end up becoming a positive 7. So when I write it, I'm going to write 42 plus 4. Instead of times the absolute value of -7, I'm going to write times a positive 7. Then I have plus 2 times 36. Okay, so it looks like we've got 3 terms there, right? We've got the 42, because I already multiplied the -7 times the -6. We've got a 4 times a 7, and we've got a 2 times a 36. So we can go ahead and simplify those. We've got still 42. 4 and 7 are both positive, so we have plus 28. And then 2 and 36 gives us 72. Now we'll add, we'll look at the first 2 terms here. We've got 42 and 28 should give us 70. And 70 plus 72 is going to equal 142. That should be our answer. But please make sure that you take your time and you try to go a step at a time to make sure that you don't make mistakes. That is number 4 from the Chapter 3 closure packet.